Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with BrowserStack for cross-device mobile testing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start registering with BrowserStack, visit the official BrowserStack website. Look for the sign up or get started for free button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to the sign up form. Here, you can choose to register using your email address or link your Google account. If you opt for email registration, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password that meets the specified requirements. Once you have filled in your email and password, click on the Sign Up button. If you chose to sign up with Google, select your Google account and grant the necessary permissions. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email from BrowserStack. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message. If you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This action will verify your account and redirect you to the BrowserStack dashboard. Once on the dashboard, you may be prompted to fill in additional information, such as your name and organization. Complete this information and save your changes. Now you can start exploring the features of BrowserStack for cross-device mobile testing. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and available tools. You're now ready to begin testing your mobile applications across different devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.